Well, first thing is first, and credit where credit is due. This has been a very handy welder all around my property, affectionately known as the man purse. But recently, I have upgraded to a multi-process welder that allow me to do more things. But with more things comes a little bit more complexity, a little bit more weight. This welder, to weld aluminum and different materials, requires more than one cylinder. And unfortunately, I do have a little bit of property that requires me to move the welder around a lot. And I didn't want to be like these unfortunate souls and have to carry it through the mud with that cart with all those little tiny wheels on it. And I didn't want to leave one of the cylinders behind. So I stumbled upon this oxyacetylene welding cart that I thought would do the job very nicely. All I had to do was get a scrap piece of angle iron and cut a couple of V-notches into it and bend it in a way that would cradle that unlimited 200 welder. Here's what it looked like when I bent up that angle iron, and here's me mocking it up. Now the two cylinders are more than enough weight to offset the weight of that welder. It's pretty lightweight, and so far, adding it all up, I believe the cart was on sale for $47. So overall, I spent, I think, less than $50 on the cart. I had the pieces of metal lying around. I even had a couple of horseshoes lying around that I was able to make a stinger and plug holder and hose holder. As you can see there, I bent it in such a way that it would kind of clamp on there pretty well. And I think it's going to be better than what I see a lot of people using hooks on their cylinder, and I think those, I've always had problems with them kind of bending or kinking the hoses, and I wanted to avoid that. So here's some of the other items that I may stick on that cart in the future. I'm just testing it out, but so far I've been really happy with it. Here's my pops, well into his 70s, move it around like a shopping cart, and overall I've been really happy with it. I hope you guys get to build something cool, and I hope it helps you out as well. Take care.